Drying clothes fast in winter without a dryer is absolutely possible if you know the right techniques to use. Winter air is cold, humid, and unforgiving, but your home has everything you need to dry clothes quickly if used correctly. The single biggest mistake most people make is hanging soaking wet clothes directly from the wash without reducing moisture first. Every extra drop of water you remove before hanging dramatically reduces the total drying time inside your home. Start by running your wet clothes through an extra high-speed spin cycle in the washing machine immediately after washing. A 1400 revolutions per minute spin cycle removes significantly more water than a standard spin, cutting indoor drying time by up to 30%. For very heavy items like jeans, towels, and sweaters, wring them out firmly by hand over the sink after spinning. Manual wringing combined with a high spin cycle removes the maximum possible water before any hanging begins. Room choice matters enormously in winter. Always set up your drying rack in the warmest room available. Rooms with radiators, underfloor heating, or a working fireplace create the ideal winter indoor drying environment. Position your foldable drying rack as close to the heat source as safely possible. Proximity to warmth accelerates drying dramatically. Always check the manufacturer's guidelines for your radiator. Some radiators advise against draping clothes directly over them. Spacing your clothes widely on the drying rack is absolutely critical. Overlapping clothes create moisture traps that prevent drying. Every item needs its own breathing space. Air must be able to circulate freely around all surfaces of every garment. Hang thinner, lighter items at the top of the rack where warm air naturally rises and concentrates. Place heavier, denser items like jeans and thick towels closer to the direct heat source for maximum drying efficiency. A portable fan positioned facing your drying rack is one of the most powerful investments for winter indoor drying. Moving air removes moisture from fabric surfaces dramatically faster than still air. Even cold moving air is more effective than warm still air. Point the fan upward slightly so it circulates air through the hanging clothes rather than just blowing against them. A dehumidifier running beside your drying rack actively pulls moisture out of the room air, preventing that damp winter smell. Without a dehumidifier, moisture evaporating from your clothes simply accumulates in the room air and slows the drying process significantly. Open interior doors throughout your home while drying. Good whole house air circulation prevents moisture buildup in the drying room. Avoid drying large loads all at once in winter. Smaller loads spread across multiple racks dry significantly faster than one overcrowded rack. Window curtain rods are excellent supplementary hanging spots. Hang items on individual hangers for maximum air exposure. Keep windows closed during winter indoor drying. Cold, damp outdoor air coming in slows drying rather than helping it. For items you need urgently dry, an iron is your fastest single item drying tool in any winter emergency. Press a damp garment firmly with a hot iron on both sides. The direct heat drives out moisture in minutes for thin to medium fabrics. The dry towel rolling technique works brilliantly for woolens and sweaters that cannot be ironed directly. Roll the wet item tightly inside a dry absorbent towel and press firmly. The towel wicks substantial moisture in seconds. Combine high spin extraction, strategic rack positioning, fan circulation, dehumidifier use, and heat source proximity, and your winter clothes will be completely dry faster than you ever thought possible without a dryer.